Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, using admin account of Century admin account by accessing this website tcsblended.century.tech/admin/classes, we will get this interface. And now look here, the classes are updated for the academic year 2022 and 23, and here you will get all the updated classes over here. Okay, now let's add something over here. Let's assign subjects classes. Okay, now we are going to assign classes to different teachers. For example, here I'm going to access right now 40 science. Here is 40 science. Just click on it and this interface will appear in front of you, and you can see that these all students are added over here. If someone is not there, you just click on add and add that student. Search the student by name or his or her ERP number, and then click on assign to this class. Okay, now look here, I want to add teacher over here. First of all I want to delete this teacher because she's not taking a class right now. 40 science, I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I want to add new teacher here, so click on add and I'm going to write the name of that teacher, name, then click on assign. Done. I have assigned this teacher to this class for this specific subject like science subject. That's it. The important thing is over here, when you will use admin account and you will click on the classes, and after that these classes will appear in front of you. Now I want to check the students. Click on student, and here you can see there are lots of students over here. You can even search, scroll down here, their IDs are over here. You can see here these are what numbering over here. Click on 2, 3, 4. These are different tabs and it will take you to the next step. Okay, now I want to reset the student password. It's a big issue. Whenever student will forget that, then how you can reset that password is very easy. I'm going to click on okay, now for example, some cases student will forget their password and they will request that okay, we are not able to access our Century accounts, please reset the password. So with the help of admin account you can even reset this. Just click here, search the student name. If it's there, you can, for example, I'm going to search the specific student. Click here and then you will get all its information. For example, in 2022 this student was in class 7, and then 2021-22 in class 8, and now in class 9 this student is taking these subjects. Okay, now I want to reset her password, so I just click here, change student password, click on it, and now enter the new password. Click on save. Password updated. Now I want to check her ID, so I will just pick this, copy this email address. Now I'm going to check that its ID is working or not. Then you need to click on top right corner 3 dots, then open in a new private window, then here type TCS blended, enter, and then here same protocol, click on sign in with Office 365, then paste email address, enter the password here, click on sign in. Here it is, success, updated password successfully. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and please comment. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.